What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and as you guys can see here in front of me we have one of our Vicrez rims, and this is VZN 118498 as you can see up front. Now these are our 22 size rims, 22 by 10 actually. The offset is 25, the bolt pattern is 5 by 139.7, and the camber is 77.8, and of course they are matte black. Now, these are our VXC matte black wheels. Now let's go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. Now, of course, we do a couple different things to make sure your rim is protected. We have a cardboard insert to help protect the face as well as the edges of the rim. Then we also have a plastic bag here. Keep any dust and debris off of it to keep your rim looking nice for whenever it arrives. And then we have a felt cover here, and you can reuse this felt cover for your original rims if you still want to keep them and keep them looking nice. And then we also have a plastic edge guard as well as just a bit of foam for that extra added protection. Now, as you can see, these are our VXC style rims, and we also have our Vicrez brand embroidered into them, as well as the Vicrez center cap. Now this is a 5 lug rim, and I believe it's also 5 spoke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I do love the design of the VXC style rims. We do have a couple of different variants if you would like to go check those out on the Vicrez website. Now, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos just like this one, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and make sure to hit that like button as well as the notification button to get notified when we do more videos just like this one.